Am my camera ready? Probably not, but whatever. What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today I am doing a clean and organize with me. It's time to get organized, so I'm organizing my life, decluttering everywhere I possibly can. This is a great thing to do, so if you're interested in what I'm going to take care of, please keep watching. The areas that I'm focusing on are not too crazy, but there is a closet. This closet was organized once before in a previous video, which I'll link below in case you want to see that one. But it's been a couple of years now. It might have been, was it last year or 2 years ago? Either way, this closet is starting to get out of hand. And this area that I can see from my desk, when I look over there, it just, yeah, right over there. It just bothers me. Just seeing too much stuff on top of stuff on top of stuff. It needs to go. And then there's these 2 drawers which are in our dining room hutch. Those need to be cleaned out. Just gonna neaten things up a little bit. You know, can't go into a new year with clutter. So let's get to it. The glare in my glasses is just unreal. In case you want to see my eyes when I say it, I'm organizing. Area next to my desk, crafting toy closet, 2 drawers in my dining room hutch. Organization, here we go. It was just clutter that was in here. And then this drawer is looking much better now. Some loose leaf papers. These are some old notebooks. This one's pretty much empty. And then my crosswords. I love crossword puzzles. I have those everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this drawer as well. closets are getting cleaned. These two closets need some work. This dog is always staring at me like I'm doing the most. Am I a little bit extra? Right back at you.